This is a example test list where a student's name can be written in one column, and these are some example L numbers from which the attendance kiosk will then pull. These lists could be separated into different classes, and in future iterations of this, that may be the case, where you select the class for which you'd like to take attendance before putting in the L numbers for your students. For this is just a proof of concept that I can pull the L number and names from this list and upload them to a formatted Excel file that contains all the attendance records. This is what the attendance kiosk will look like. Presumably, students will have knowledge of their L numbers, and so I can just ask them to type it in with the keypad here. So for instance, some random L number of 0785 doesn't match any of our listed names. So when I press enter, it tells me there's no match. So for James, I believe his L number was 1111. When he presses enter, it'll tell them there's a match, and then that will be uploaded to an attendance data Excel file that is linked to the cloud. So this saves to somewhere that is linked and accessible from a phone, tablet, what have you. Now that James has punched in his L number, we can see that for today's date, in the correct column here, which is sort of fabricated, the X has been marked for his name. And this can be repeated for as many dates as necessary. It depends on how this attendance data is set up. It does require that the dates column is filled in prior to being executed, and so any particular date that this is used with should work as long as it's within this data file prior to punching in the L number. And that's it.